Hello you guys, it's been part 2 for the challenge video. So this is the popsicle. Lucky. He's licking it. Liam, are you relaxing, Liam? Yeah. Guys. Oh my god, this is so cute. Guys. Liam, I'm not gonna show you because they'll report me. Is it okay? For my YouTube video? Lucky, we're doing a challenge video. We're gonna go to the church on Sunday to Jesus' house. I don't know.
Friday, Saturday, Sunday. After tomorrow, we're going to Jesus' house.
Lucky. Liam, should I do this for him for summer? Guys, I'm gonna do this again.
I'm gonna make that for him at summer, and I'm gonna make one for him tonight.
You can do your own, but you have to let it until 1 hour, which is still sun. Lucky, you want some more? This takes long to finish. Lucky. Do you want to do one for tonight and let it until morning?
And this one's for Lucky, and I'll record it on Instagram. Look at this cat popsicle. So how to make cat popsicle? Number 1, put it in a stick.
I'm gonna do one more for Lucky.
That I'll record. Can I record for him?
Sure. I'll record next time in Instagram. By the way, I don't want to record in Instagram. I want to record in YouTube for him. Guys, don't worry. We're talking about making a video with my brother. Do you want to record him? You can record him now with me.
No, I don't want to.
Lucky, can you bite it instead? Lucky. Lucky. Good boy, Lucky. Liam, he liked it.